from someplace over Ohio, USA. This is a Space Dog on Space Dog Radio. Thanks for tuning in to SpaceDogRadio.com. Really appreciate you listening. Appreciate you, all your emails, and we are trying to get back to all the emails and all the comments as quickly as possible. But for right now, we're at fever pitch with the election in the United States of America, just 4 days away from electing the President of the United States, not to mention so many important political figures. I'm going to bring in just a little bit of a conference call that was just on with President Obama. Here it is, a conference call with President Obama dated November 2nd, 2012.
So there are 4 days left, and I just want everybody on this call to understand that this election is going to be as close as the ones that we experienced in 2000 and 2004. And it's important to remember that in 2008, even though the president received 365 electoral votes and had the wind at his back, he only received 52.9% of the popular vote. So even in that historic election, there are 47.1% of Americans who voted for someone else. So this is how tight it's going to be in just 4 days. We are looking at margins in state after state that are going to look a lot more like they did in 2004 and 2000 than they did in 2008. What makes me feel good about where we are right now is that we have built, you have participated in, and have helped fund the largest grassroots army political organization ever fielded in American political history. From state to state, on measure after measure after measure, what truly counts is the work and time that people are putting in, which is why I feel very good about the state of the race right now and where we are. So, look, you're going to see dozens upon dozens upon dozens of polls over the course of the next few days. And it's hard to ignore them, but please, here's what I'm asking you to do. Even the good ones that we like as opposed to the bad ones that we dislike, please ignore them and focus on what's most essential. And let me tell you right now what we're seeing in the field, because it's only these numbers that truly matter in the final 4 days. Take a look at Colorado, a place where the president was yesterday in Boulder. Through early vote right now, Democrats are doing better in early vote this year than we did 2 years ago when Colorado voters in a very close election re-elected Senator Michael Bennet. Those are actual people who are voting. Those are the real numbers that matter right now. Take a look at the state of Florida. Florida is such a wonderful story. Let's take a look at Iowa. Iowa's been voting since late September. And through just a few days ago, Democrats have built up a 60,000 ballot lead over Republicans. Let's think about Nevada, another place where we're seeing the early vote numbers at a really fantastic record pace. Think about North Carolina, a state that we only won by 14,000 votes in 2008. Here are the numbers that I love about North Carolina. The team there registered 340,000 new voters just in North Carolina. They crushed it in every single way.
The fact is we could not be doing all of this if it were not for the incredible support that all of you have given throughout this campaign. And one of the things I want to communicate to you is sometimes maybe what you've done seems abstract, or it feels like you're just supporting a candidate. Every time I travel, though, I'm meeting young people who are going to college because we changed how the student loan program works. Every time I travel, I'm meeting people who right now have health insurance because of Obamacare. Every time I travel, I'm talking to somebody whose home was saved because of our timely intervention. And here in Ohio, every day, every rally, I'm seeing hundreds of auto workers who wouldn't have a job, and communities that would have collapsed had it not been for the work that we did. Just about every day I meet somebody in uniform who thanks me for Don't Ask, Don't Tell being repealed, because they're so proud to serve their country, and they now can do so without pretending that they don't love their partners. So across the board, what we've done is making a difference in people's lives. It's making our middle class stronger. It's giving young people opportunity like never before. It's helping people retrain for the jobs of the future. It's keeping our environment clean. It's bringing our troops home. It's rebuilding our infrastructure. It's doubling our clean energy. And this has concrete impact on people's lives. And that's what changes. That's what we fought for in 2008, and that's what we're fighting to preserve now. Right now, we should win, but we're only going to win if we make sure that we've got the strongest volunteer base out there. We're only going to win if we make sure that we're not getting outspent 5-1 in some of these media markets by Karl Rove's super PAC and all the other folks who have been spending hundreds of millions of dollars against us. And that's where I hope all of you want to continue to just see this thing through to the very last poll is closed all across the country.
There you go. More from the election and the campaign on Space Dog Radio very soon. SpaceDogRadio.com. You can catch us on Twitter at Space Dog Radio. We're also on YouTube and all across the web. Thanks for listening. Be safe, be happy, and I'll catch you next orbit.